How to restore purchases on CarX Street. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Are you on CarX Street and trying to restore your purchases but they're not showing up? Then here's how you find it. First of all, launch open the CarX Street on your Android devices, and once you're in the home page of the game, go to the top right corner and tap on the plus button. You'll come across this store menu where you need to look for the Restore Purchases button at the bottom left and tap on it. So after you tap on Restore Purchases, you'll be able to restore your purchases. The game will connect you to Google Play account and check your previous purchases, and after a few seconds your purchased items, cards or packs should be restored to your account. Make sure you log in using the same account you used while buying the items and you'll be good to go. So that's how your purchase will be restored in CarX Street. Now you can jump back into the game and enjoy your cars and upgrades again. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.